Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video brought to you by D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. My name is Thomas, and today we're going to be unboxing the new DJI Mini SE. This is DJI's most affordable drone, but you still get a hell of a lot of value packed into such a small package. So let's rip into it and see exactly what comes in this new Fly More combo. Okay, let's have a look what we get here. So here we have the carrying case, of course. This is just like the original Mavic Mini, although we don't get the propeller guards this time in the combo. Inside this case we have our three sections, of course. One for the drone, one for the remote controller, one for our two-way 3-in-1 charging hub, and of course we've got our accessories as well. We also have our reading materials, including some pamphlets from CASA. Here we have the aircraft itself, and look at that, the same propellers as the Mini 2. Now there's no propeller holder with this kit here, so bear in mind that you do get a propeller holder with the Mini 2, but not with the SE, so be careful when opening the drone for the first time. Now here we've got our intelligent battery hub. So what's cool about this is not only does it offer a convenient solution for you to charge your batteries, but it also doubles as a power bank, allowing you to use the batteries to charge something like your mobile device or even your drone's remote controller while you're on the go, which is a great feature. Now these are the same batteries as the Mini 2, and these are intelligent flight batteries. That means that these batteries will self-discharge by themselves, as well as give you the estimated time remaining in your flight, which is a really handy feature for those new to the drone world. Here we have the remote controller. More or less the same remote controller as the original Mavic Mini series. With the same RC cable setup as well. And that's where, of course, your mobile device mounts. Now you do get the lightning cable installed in the controller as standard, and the other two cables are located in your accessories box, which is just under here. Your joysticks, of course, are under here. They just click out and they will screw in like so. So in this accessories box, we have our spare propellers. You get lots of spare propellers in a Fly More combo. We have our spare joysticks in case you lose the pair that are installed into the remote controller. Now this is your screwdriver for when you're changing your propellers on your drone. We've also got our two different cables here. Now one of these is of course for the remote controller. So the remote controller charges from the micro USB port on the left hand side, and then the Type-C cable is for the back of the drone, which is how you can easily get your data from the drone onto your computer at home. Awesome guys, well let's set this up and get up into the air and have a fly. The DJI Mini SE is the third member of the DJI Mini family and sits between the Mavic Mini original and the DJI Mini 2 in terms of features. But interestingly, it's actually lower than both in terms of pricing. You get the camera of the Mavic Mini, which is 2.7K at 30 frames per second or 12 megapixel photos, along with the transmission and intelligent features. But the body is actually from the DJI Mini 2, where you get the upgraded motors for that level 5 wind resistance, a significant upgrade over the level 3 on the original Mavic Mini. Because of this, you'll find that the propellers are orange tips and the arms are also sturdier than the original Mavic Mini. When you look at the rear of the aircraft, you'll also find the rear aircraft status indicator is not a clickable one like the Mini 2. And rather than a micro USB port in the back of the original Mini series, the Mini SE has a USB-C port to easily transfer your data and files to your computer. The DJI Mini SE has made its mark on the drone market as the most affordable, feature-rich drone that has everything its older, bigger siblings has. This includes GPS, return to home, quick shots, a high-quality camera, and different flight modes, including sports mode. If you're looking at entering into the drone market, then the Mini SE is really hard to beat. It packs all of the proper drone features at a really affordable price. The increase in wind resistance also makes it a much more suitable drone for beginners than the original Mavic Mini. We currently have these in stock and available at all of our DJI stores around Australia. If your state is currently locked down, you can also order these online. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a ring or even chat with us on our website. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for joining in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.